Have you ever wondered what it truly feels like beneath the ocean surface? Imagine a world where silence replaces noise and beauty surrounds you everywhere. Beneath the waves lies a mysterious universe waiting quietly to be discovered, a place where vibrant colors dance slowly through the water like living art, a place where every creature moves with peaceful elegance and perfect rhythm. The underwater world is not just water and fish. It is a living masterpiece created by nature itself. From glowing coral reefs to graceful sea creatures, everything feels magical. Every movement feels calm, slow, and hypnotizing, as if time itself has decided to slow down underwater. Imagine watching a school of colorful fish glide effortlessly through the ocean. Their movements feel almost like a beautiful underwater ballet. Each fish carries its own pattern and brilliant color. Some shine like living jewels in the sunlight. Others move gently like floating brushstrokes on a painter's canvas. The ocean hides thousands of fascinating marine animals, creatures that many people only see in pictures or documentaries. But what if you could experience their world right now? What if you could witness their peaceful underwater kingdom from the front row? The ocean is often described as Earth's final frontier, and for a good reason. More than 80% of the ocean still remains unexplored, which means countless wonders still wait beneath the surface. Every coral reef holds its own story. Every fish carries a small piece of the ocean's mystery. Some creatures are tiny yet incredibly beautiful. Others are large, powerful, and breathtaking to watch. Yet despite their differences, they all move in harmony. In this underwater realm, balance is everything. Life flows with calm precision and natural rhythm. There are no loud cities here, no rushing crowds or endless distractions, just peaceful movement and natural beauty everywhere. The gentle sway of sea plants feels almost hypnotic. The shimmering light from above creates magical patterns underwater. Even the smallest fish adds life to this vibrant ecosystem. The deeper you look, the more beauty you discover. And the more beauty you discover, the harder it becomes to look away. It's almost like entering a dream made entirely of water, light, and life. Watching marine life has a strangely calming effect on the human mind. Scientists say it reduces stress and promotes relaxation. Perhaps that is why aquariums attract millions of visitors every year. People come searching for peace. They come looking for something different from the chaos of daily life. And the ocean quietly delivers exactly that. It offers beauty without words. It offers movement without noise. It offers peace without effort. But there is something even more fascinating waiting beneath the waves. Something that makes this underwater world even more mesmerizing. Something that most people never notice at first glance. The ocean is not just beautiful, it is full of surprising secrets. And in the next moment, you are about to discover one of them. Now imagine that you slowly begin to descend into this incredible underwater world. The sunlight above starts filtering through the water in soft, glowing rays. Everything around you begins to shimmer with a magical blue glow. Schools of colorful fish move together like living clouds. They turn in perfect synchronization, as if guided by an invisible conductor. Watching them feels strangely peaceful and mesmerizing. Each fish follows the rhythm of the ocean. None of them rush, yet none of them seem lost. It is a perfect dance of instinct and survival. Coral reefs appear beneath you, like vibrant underwater cities. These reefs are home to thousands of marine species. Tiny fish hide among the coral branches. Bright sea anemones wave gently with the ocean currents. Small shrimp quietly clean the shells of passing fish. Every creature here plays a role in the underwater ecosystem. It is nature's version of perfect teamwork. Nothing is wasted, and nothing exists without purpose. The deeper you observe, the more fascinating it becomes. A curious sea turtle slowly glides through the water nearby. Its movements are calm, graceful, and almost ancient. Sea turtles have existed on Earth for more than 100 million years. They witnessed oceans long before humans ever appeared. Watching one swim feels like witnessing history itself. Not far away, a group of clownfish hide inside sea anemones. Their bright orange bodies glow like tiny lanterns. Despite their small size, they are incredibly brave creatures. They defend their homes fiercely from much larger fish. Their courage reminds us that size does not define strength. A majestic stingray quietly glides across the sandy ocean floor. Its wide wings move slowly like a bird flying underwater. Every movement feels smooth and effortless. The ocean floor itself holds endless surprises. Strange shells, colorful starfish, and delicate sea plants decorate the landscape. Even the sand hides tiny creatures working quietly beneath the surface. Marine life is constantly moving, growing, and adapting. Yet everything feels calm and balanced. The ocean does not rush. It simply flows with natural harmony, and that harmony creates a powerful sense of peace. Many people say watching marine life feels almost like meditation. The slow movements calm the mind naturally. The colorful scenery relaxes the eyes and imagination. Stress slowly disappears as the underwater world takes over your attention. It reminds us that life does not always need to move fast. Sometimes the most beautiful moments happen slowly. The ocean teaches patience without saying a single word. It teaches balance through simple natural movement, and it teaches wonder through its endless diversity of life. But beneath this peaceful beauty lies something even more fascinating, something that most people never think about when watching ocean life. Every creature here follows invisible rules of survival, rules that have shaped life for millions of years. The ocean is peaceful, but it is also powerful. And understanding that power reveals an even deeper story. A story that will completely change the way you see the underwater world. At first glance, the underwater world appears calm and peaceful. Fish glide smoothly through the water with effortless grace. Coral reefs glow with brilliant colors under the sunlight. Everything feels slow, balanced, and perfectly harmonious. But beneath this beauty lies a deeper truth about ocean life. The ocean is not only a place of peace, it is also a place of survival and constant adaptation. Every creature here lives according to nature's ancient rules. These rules have existed for millions of years, and every species has learned how to survive within them. Some fish travel in large schools to stay protected. Moving together confuses predators and keeps them safe. Others rely on camouflage to blend perfectly with coral reefs. Their colors match the surrounding environment almost perfectly. Predators swim nearby without even noticing them. This invisible survival strategy keeps many creatures alive. In the ocean, awareness is everything. A moment of distraction can mean the difference between life and danger. But even predators play an important role here. Sharks, for example, are often misunderstood creatures. Many people see them only as dangerous hunters. Yet sharks actually help maintain balance within marine ecosystems. They remove weak or sick animals from populations. This keeps marine life healthier and stronger. Without predators, the ecosystem would quickly lose balance. Nature always finds ways to maintain harmony. Even the smallest organisms contribute to this balance. Tiny plankton floating in the water feed countless marine species. Without them, the entire ocean food chain would collapse. The ocean is like a giant living network. Every creature depends on another in some way. From the smallest shrimp to the largest whale, everything is connected in a delicate cycle of life. This connection makes the ocean incredibly powerful and fragile. A single change can affect thousands of species. That is why protecting ocean life has become so important today. Pollution and climate change now threaten many marine ecosystems. Coral reefs around the world are slowly disappearing. Many fish species struggle to survive in changing waters. The underwater world still looks beautiful, but it quietly faces challenges humans rarely see. The ocean gives our planet oxygen, food, wood, and climate balance, yet it asks for very little in return, just protection, respect, and awareness. When we observe marine life closely, we begin to understand something deeper. The ocean is not separate from us. Our lives are connected to it in many unseen ways. The air we breathe partly comes from ocean ecosystems. The food we eat often depends on healthy seas. Even the climate that supports life depends on ocean stability. Suddenly, the underwater world feels much more meaningful. It is no longer just beautiful scenery. It becomes a reminder of nature's incredible balance. And that realization leads us to an important question. What role do we play in protecting this mesmerizing underwater realm? Now that you understand the deeper meaning of the underwater world, everything feels different. The fish are no longer just colorful shapes swimming through water. Each one represents a living part of a vast and delicate ecosystem. Every coral reef becomes a symbol of nature's creativity and resilience. And suddenly, the ocean feels far more meaningful than before. When we slow down and truly observe marine life, something changes inside us. Our minds begin to quiet down naturally. The constant noise of everyday life slowly fades away. The underwater world teaches us the power of calmness. Fish move without hurry, yet they never stop progressing. The ocean flows steadily, never rushing yet, always moving forward. Nature itself reminds us that balance is the key to life. Many people today live fast-paced and stressful lives. Our minds are constantly filled with responsibilities and distractions. But the ocean offers a simple lesson. Sometimes the best thing we can do is pause, and simply observe the beauty around us. Watching marine life helps our minds reset and recharge. The slow movements of fish relax the brain. The gentle waves calm our emotions. The peaceful scenery encourages mindfulness and awareness. Scientists have even studied this effect in aquariums. They discovered that observing fish reduces stress levels. It can lower heart rate and improve mood. In a world full of pressure, the ocean becomes a place of peace. This is why aquarium videos and ocean scenes feel so calming. They reconnect us with the rhythm of nature. They remind us that life is not only about speed and productivity. Life is also about appreciation and awareness. Beneath the waves, everything follows a natural flow. No creature tries to rush the ocean currents. No fish worries about tomorrow's challenges. They simply live, move, and adapt with the environment. There is something deeply inspiring about that simplicity. Humans often search for happiness in complicated paths, but nature quietly shows us a simpler path. Peace often comes from slowing down and observing life carefully. The underwater world offers that opportunity. Every fish, coral, and ripple of water becomes a moment of beauty, and beauty has the power to heal the human mind. It reminds us that our planet is full of wonder, even in places we may never physically visit. The ocean invites us to imagine, relax, and explore. It invites us to reconnect with the natural world. Because when we appreciate nature, we also learn to protect it. Appreciation leads to awareness. Awareness leads to responsibility. And responsibility leads to positive action. The more people fall in love with the ocean, the more they want to protect it. That is why experiences like this are so powerful. They inspire curiosity and respect for marine life. They remind us that our planet is incredibly precious, and they encourage us to become guardians of nature. But before we leave this peaceful underwater journey, there is one final message to remember. A message that connects the beauty of the ocean directly to our own lives. As our journey through the mesmerizing underwater world comes to an end, one feeling remains: a deep sense of calm and quiet wonder. The ocean has a unique way of touching the human soul. It speaks without words yet communicates powerful messages. Every gentle wave and every swimming fish carries a lesson. The ocean reminds us that life does not need to be rushed. Sometimes the most meaningful moments are the quietest ones. Beneath the waves, nature moves with patience and balance. Fish glide slowly yet confidently through their endless blue home. Coral reefs grow gradually over many years. Even the tides follow their natural rhythm without interruption. Nature never hurries, yet everything is accomplished. Perhaps that is the greatest lesson the ocean offers. Life is not a race, but a journey of balance and harmony. Watching marine life reminds us to slow down and breathe. It reminds us to appreciate the present moment. The ocean does not worry about yesterday or tomorrow. It simply flows in the present. And in doing so, it creates breathtaking beauty. When we observe this beauty, our minds begin to relax naturally. Stress begins to fade quietly into the background. Our thoughts become calmer and clearer. For a moment, the worries of the world disappear. This peaceful feeling is one of the ocean's greatest gifts. But the ocean also gives us something even more valuable. It gives us perspective. When we see the vastness of the underwater world, our problems seem smaller. We realize how incredible and mysterious our planet truly is. Millions of species live beneath the waves, many still undiscovered. Each one contributes to the balance of life on Earth. The ocean supports ecosystems that sustain our planet. It provides oxygen, regulates climate, and supports countless forms of life. Yet despite its power, the ocean remains delicate and vulnerable. Protecting marine life is one of the most important responsibilities we share. Every small action can make a difference. Reducing pollution, protecting wildlife, and respecting nature all matter. The more we appreciate the ocean, the more we want to protect it. And appreciation often begins with simple moments like this. Moments where we pause and observe the beauty of nature. Moments where we reconnect with the natural world. The underwater realm invites us to explore with curiosity. It encourages us to protect what we admire. It reminds us that Earth is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So whenever life feels overwhelming, remember the peaceful rhythm of the ocean. Imagine the calm movements of fish beneath glowing blue water. Picture coral reefs swaying gently in the current. Let that image bring peace back to your mind and carry that calmness with you into your daily life. Because the ocean's wisdom is simple but powerful. Slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the beauty around you. If this underwater journey brought you peace and inspiration, share that feeling with others. Let more people experience the relaxing beauty of the ocean. Support content that celebrates nature and marine life. And if you enjoyed this peaceful ocean experience, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because many more breathtaking journeys beneath the waves are waiting to be discovered.